In this video, we will see how we can rotate videos in Final Cut Pro. Once we add the video clip on the time frame, and if we select the video on the time frame, we'll find this type of transform type of icon. Just click on this icon and it will pop up on menu, and on the top of this menu is the transform option. We just need to choose it by clicking here. Before rotating the image, let's do one thing. I'm going to decrease the size of this viewport, so I'm choosing here so that the video will be looking smaller and it will be easy to rotate. Now we are seeing there is a circle like thing here. We just need to hold it and then rotate. Once we rotate, we'll see that the image is rotated completely. Based on our requirement, we can rotate as much as we need, and that's it. In this way we can easily rotate the picture. Once the picture is rotated successfully, just hit the return key of your keyboard to save the transform, and in this way we can easily rotate pictures or videos in Final Cut Pro. Thank you for watching the video.